Here's how to fix the D3D11 error message. First, open the Start menu and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, then open it. In the Performance Options window, click the Advanced tab. Under the Virtual Memory section, click Change. Select Custom Size. Set the initial size to 1024 MB. For the maximum size, multiply 1024 by the amount of RAM installed on your computer. For example, if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, open the calculator and multiply 1024 by 16. You'll get 16384. So enter 16384 in the maximum size field. If you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, multiply 1024 by 8, you'll get 8192. So enter 8192 in the maximum size field. In general, multiply 1024 by the amount of RAM installed on your computer. Then enter the result in the maximum size box. After entering both values, click Set, then click OK. If Windows asks you to confirm the changes, click Yes. If you're still getting the D3D11 error, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand Display Adapters, then locate your graphics card. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Confirm the prompt if it appears. After a few seconds, right-click the graphics card again and select Enable Device. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer and launch the game again to check if the D3D11 error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.